Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about the new backup app that Microsoft releases for Windows 10 devices. Microsoft just came out with a new optional cumulative update for Windows 10 22H2. It fixes some of bug issues with several improvements and adds a new backup app. Certainly, here's a simpler way to put it: if you use Windows 10, you can get this update by going to Settings, then clicking on Windows Update, and finally, hitting the Check for Updates button. Once you install this update, your Windows 10 22H2 will be updated to new build. Open the backup app and log in with your personal Microsoft account. After you log in, it will begin backing up your computer automatically. The Windows 10 Backup app does the same things as the backup settings in Windows 11, as you can use Windows Backup to save your files, folders, and stuff to OneDrive. You can also use it to save your Wi-Fi details, passwords, settings, apps, and personal preferences to your Microsoft account. The Windows Backup app puts all these settings together in one spot, so if you use Windows 10, you can easily control these things in one place. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.